One seems to be sitting a lot lower, but I noticed there's a bit of a curve to that there, so maybe I should try and get that bend out before I go ahead and mark that. Yeah, that looks better. Everything seems to be going nicely by eye, so I'm just going to eyeball. Here we go. Working under magnification and through the phone video screen is a little bit tricky. Alright, I'll just spend some time with the file cleaning those up. So this is what we've got at the moment, and I'm just going to run over with the nylon brush and green compound, which is a cutting compound, and stay with the brush strokes that I've got there to try and keep this patina that I'm trying to work with rather than against. Running out of battery and space, so let's see if we catch some of this. Alright, it's coming up pretty good. I think I might do some burnishing. That'll give me another added layer of effect. But I really wanted to get as much of the oxides off the surface before I did any burnishing. So burnishing tools, just something smooth. I've used this and this here with quite good success. Basically just running over with the smoothest part, and that moves material around. There's a bit of a sharp spot on there. I probably should have polished this first, but that's alright, we can work those scratches out with the burnishing technique. one here works really well with that little heel point. This piece of aquamarine shows some clay-like dirt. I've scratched at it with a little probe and it does scrape off, so I've just dug out my ultrasonic cleaner that was in a pretty bad shape and give it a scrub up, and so I'm going to throw this in there and hopefully it comes up clean. All of this stuff's come in the eBay purchase. Hello tubers, welcome to another mailbag. This is more eBay shopping. China Post, this whole thing where they subsidise their shipping to the rest of the world, it really has turned them into a place where I regularly shop, because let's face it, these guys shipped it for free. I think it was 20 bucks, all that. Look at all these little bits, little polishing wheels. Cool. Thanks for watching. And this is the perfect polishing gear to have a go at finishing. I'm getting this closer to a state of finish. Still got a nice big wrinkle in there, and I actually attacked it with a grinding flappy wheel that you see on the Dremel now, just to rough it up and give it some character. Using a green cutting compound. That noise is the neighbour's bird copying their kids. Go figure. Doesn't make this noise in the daytime. In the daytime it swears and carries on. In the afternoon when the kids are home, it makes this stupid noise.